Hello, this is Dr. Andre Jones with Inspire Dental, and today we are going to go over some questions regarding cosmetic dentistry and dental veneers and crowns and things of that nature. So look forward to educating you in this video, and hope you stay tuned. One of the things that is very common in cosmetic dentistry are something that are called dental veneers. A veneer is a material that is placed over a tooth, and what it is done is to help enhance that natural tooth, either enhance the shape, the size, the color, just the overall aesthetic appearance of it. And so it's made of different types of materials. It can be made of like a filling type material, which is called composite. You have ones that are more permanent, that are made of porcelain. So those are the different types of dental veneers. And who they're best suited for, they're suited for people who have pretty good oral hygiene, that don't have lots of decay or have previous restorations, because when you do a dental veneer, you need to have a fresh tooth surface to bond to. The key to veneer lasting is what you're bonding it to. The bonding is where all the strength comes from. And so ideally you want a healthy, clean tooth that has never had any work done to it. That way a veneer can adhere and stay to the tooth. Another great option in dentistry for cosmetics is whitening. Sometimes your teeth are just the perfect shape they are, or maybe we're not interested in pursuing like crowns, veneers, or bonding. And so, so for whitening, there are 3 different options usually that exist. One is just like the standard tray that you can get from the grocery store, Target, Walmart. We have some more professional grade trays, but they're just not a custom fit. And so sometimes because it's not a custom fit, the whitening solution can get on the gums and can be a little irritating. And so in most situations, getting something that's custom fitted is going to give you the best results and also prevent complications and irritations. So the second option is creating custom trays that you put whitening gel in, and they fit snugly against the teeth, and they keep the gel where it's supposed to be, and that way your teeth whiten, but it doesn't create any irritations. And then lastly, we have in-office whitening options. So in-office is where you come in and we do the bleach within the office. It's going to be the strongest solution that is out there, as well as it's going to give you the fastest results. So normally the take-home options take about 2 weeks to see results. This, you're going to get results within an hour and a half. And so you walk in with one color, you're leaving with another. And what's nice is that it's very long lasting, and then you still get some custom trays afterwards to do some touch-up whitening as you go along. So if you have like a special event coming up, you can do a little bit of touch-up just before. Probably the ultimate cosmetic option is something that's called a smile makeover. A smile makeover is where we do something on all of your teeth. It could be bonding, it could be veneers, it could be crowns, but we are really trying to enhance the size, the shape, the proportions, even the positioning of your teeth. And that way someone has a full smile and something that is brand new, and it's created in a way that is custom to them to help enhance all of their aesthetics and even help improve function at many times. So a question I get asked, because you'll see most dental offices will say, oh, we do cosmetic dentistry, but not all dentists are equal. So how do you choose the best cosmetic dentist? I always say start off with a consult. Come into the office and see how many appointments that do they have before you get started. This is something that's going to impact not just your smile, but your whole life. And it can even impact your teeth long term. So you want to make sure that you are choosing something that is going to last. And so making sure that you have the right dentist is going to be incredibly important. Do not go for the cheapest option, because that means there are corners that are being cut in order to make it cheaper. And if you cut those corners now, you're going to be paying for them later. And so this is something that, in my practice, is something we ease into. We do smile design appointments. We do all sorts of things to make sure that you are ready, you are on board, and you are prepared for what each step is going to include. And that way, you know what you're getting into, and you are confident. And we are making sure that we're keeping all things in balance. It's no good for me to give you a beautiful smile if you lose all your function and then things start breaking down the line. And so making sure you keep all those things well balanced is very important when you are making this type of decision. And also having a dentist who's artistic. There's so much art that is involved. And so a lot of dentists will just defer to their lab and just say, oh, well, the lab's going to make the teeth. They're the ones who need to be artistic. But no, the dentist has to dictate to the lab and us to help design the smile. And so they aid the lab in designing what is going to be your final smile. So the artistry of the dentist matters incredibly, and that way, you can be confident that you're getting the best result that is out there. So lastly, I've made reference of different types of materials, and I've said veneers and crowns. So the difference between a veneer and a crown is a crown goes completely over the tooth. A veneer only covers one side of the tooth, and it can wrap around a little bit, but does not completely go around. And so that's the biggest difference of a crown versus veneer. And the reason we would choose one over the other is it's determined on what your tooth needs. I like to be conservative, and so we could improve the function, the beauty of a tooth. If it means we can do it with a veneer, then we're going to do it with a veneer because it's more conservative. We're not having to remove as much tooth structure. Whereas with a crown you have to remove tooth structure from all the way around. And so that's why when we're looking at these different options, we're going to choose what is going to be best for you and best for each individual tooth, and that way you're left with the overall most beautiful result, but also the most long-lasting, strong result. So I hope this video was informative and that you learned a lot in this video regarding cosmetic dentistry. Best thing to do is to give our office a call at 210-734-5092, and then that way we can go ahead and answer any questions you have, get you in for that consult, and start beginning to design your new smile. We look forward to helping you. You can also check us out on our website, look at before and after cases at inspireddentalsa.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.